Hey everyone, I did get the edge back, I got it fixed. This lift gate's new. They did not put, which I told them that was fine, they did not put the EcoBoost and all-wheel drive logo on the back of the tail lights. Been replaced. All the trim pieces have been replaced. I see there's a slight ding right there, but that's fine. This door panel, door code is replaced. This whole side has been replaced. New mirror. They did the best they could about fixing this. It's not perfect, but I wasn't worried about that, even though paint was slightly torched there. And they did replace the lower grille, but they did not fix that crack because that was the lower trim piece. I told them that's fine. Otherwise, it looks good to me. But I have to go into Defiance because I got a message from Walgreens. Oh God, it's hot. Got a message from Walgreens saying that I had a prescription ready to be picked up. Oh my God, it's hot in here. So I'm heading to Defiance now. Because I did a lot today. I took that stereo system that I had out. I took a toad out. I took the cabinet the stereo system came on out. I did all that today. And by the time I got back, I was so hot, I was so tired. I took a shower. And then I laid down for a couple of hours because we had Ohio Gas come out and connect the gas. And I figured, you know what, since I got my edge back, I might as well drive the edge and leave my Fusion parked. I was supposed to have a adjuster for the rental claim call me because I submitted receipts. I have not heard a damn word since I got that text message today. So it's like, okay, whatever. But I gotta head to Defiance to pick up that prescription. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.